Hi my dear students, welcome to the another session of social science. So today I am here with the second unit from the block 7. As you already know, in the previous class I have started from the block 7 first unit. Block 7 is pollution in the environment. So in the different type of pollution are there. In that first unit you have learnt about the water pollution. So today I am going to teach you one more pollution which make the environment pollute. So that is air pollution. So here as a human being, how food and water is very essential. More than those water and food, air is very important, because we can live without food or water for some hours, but without air can we live for a second? No, we cannot live for a second without air. For example, you can do one activity. You close your nose and mouth at a time. How do you feel? We cannot feel comfort, because without breathing we cannot live. So that it is very important. Air, especially air, is very important for breathing. So this breathing, we need to breathe clean air. So, but nowadays we are breathing polluted air due to air pollution. So why this air get polluted? Why this air becomes pollution means dirty? Why this air become dirty? So here these are the causes for, or these are the reasons for air pollution. For example, smoke from the factories, vehicles, cigarettes, firecrackers, burning wood, coal or garbage, and plants. Burning plants to clear land and bursting firecrackers. So these are the reasons for air pollution. Let me explain one by one. Here, factories, smoke from the factories. You would have observed around us many factories are there. So there will be chimneys on the in that factory area. So from that smoke will be coming out. So that smoke mixes in the air. Here vehicles, smoke we see in the from the vehicles also, and cigarettes, smoking, when they smoke, there also, if we breathe that cigarette smoke, that also affect on our health. And also firecrackers. Firecrackers means burning firecrackers, bursting ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು, ಪಟಾಕಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹಚ್ಚೋದು. ಈಗ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಹಬ್ಬ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಗಣೇಶನ ಚತುರ್ಥಿ, ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಫೈರ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕರ್ಸ್ನ ಬರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಂದರೆ ಪಟಾಕಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹಚ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ the smoke comes out that affect the health. And also burning wood, so waste wood, sometimes they burn those waste wood. Wood means kattigegalu. Coal, sometimes people burn the coal. And garbage, waste, whatever waste is there now, that to avoid that, sometimes they throw in the water bodies, or sometimes they burn it. From there also smoke comes out. And plants, burning the plants to clear the land, sometimes they burn the plants. And burning plants to clear land, in the fields, farmers, especially farmers, to clear that land, what they do? They burn the plants. So these are the activities. By these activities, smoke comes out, especially carbon dioxide comes out from these activities, and it mixes in the air. Then air become polluted or air become dirty. So next, these are the causes. What happens by breathing that polluted water? So that is comes under the effects of air pollution. What happens by breathing that polluted air? Here, by breathing the polluted air cause breathing problems and lungs diseases. So by breathing the polluted air, it causes for breathing problem. We feel ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕಫ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಉಸಿರಾಟಕ್ಕೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ breathing the polluted air. So the one more effect from the air pollution, that is affects means air pollution affects the growth of plants. It means this air pollution not only affect human being, not only it affect on the human health of human being, it also affect the growth of plants. Because of that polluted air, plants stop their growth, and also it affect on the animals also, because animals also breathe. If they breathe this polluted air, they also by breathing that polluted air, it also leads for different diseases to the animals. For example, recently you would have observed in the Visakhapatnam, there because of leakage of some chemical smoke from that chemical smoke came out from the factory. You would have observed in the television, many people became unconscious on the road itself. So they fallen suddenly where they are, or where they are standing, where they are while walking only, they have become unconscious. Even many animals, cows, buffaloes, many animals became unconscious. And you would have observed the plants also, those plants color changed into brownish color, grey color. So like this breathing the polluted air effect on the human being and also animals, even plants also. So these are the effects. So one more effect is there. So it affects the climate of a place as well. It means when this air pollution increases, or when this carbon dioxide comes out from the factories or vehicles, that carbon dioxide mixes in the air, it causes to increase of heat on the earth. So it leads to increase of the heat on the earth. Means that carbon dioxide traps the sun raises, so that the heat increases on the earth. So also this causes global warming. Global warming means increase in temperature of earth. I told no, when the carbon dioxide mixes in the air, that traps the sun rays, then heat increase on the earth. So that is called global warming. So these are the effects of air pollution. So by this unit 2 completed, that is air pollution. Let's meet in the next session of block 7. Let's learn another one, pollution, in the next unit. Thank you.